I say, I bear things them people are going with down here in Windermere. Bear things them are going with, let me tell you these people. Yo, YouTube. Yeah. Let's talk about it, you know. Because them want exposure. So I'm going to give them some bumbuckler exposure. You see? I say, you know, say over 20 years, me I do housekeeping for over 20 blood clot years of hospitality experience. Eh? Over 20 years. 20 years. And these people have me in a tears. Then come put this young girl in a senior position. Eh? When me if you have. Well, you know what? I'm telling this. Them are going to fuck themselves. They stay there. They stay there. Because them are going like say them bring change. And me bring change while me change things. And me make things better as always. As always. So I don't know what them people are trying. I don't know what them is trying. Yeah, because them can't even clean proper. Them can't even clean proper. Eh? Them are here so I try for rush, for compete with me. For beat me. And when you check it, them room not even done properly. Eh? What the fuck is this, man? I'm telling people or something, you know, them just go dead, you know. Drop dead, blood clot, Fred. Jamaica. Eh. Jamaica land we love. When we tell them Jamaica. Jamaica land we love. Say we have the Bojo Bantan, Beanie Man, Elephant Man and the one Capleton. Jamaica land we love. Come again with the African and fried dumpling, jerk chicken. Hey yo! Pull up this. Pull up for my new tune, cause you know I see you messing up. I say, for all 2 years, I working at this place, yeah. And me know I say, I make things better. I know that for sure. See? Come know myself, you know. I know myself, you know. Yo, DJ, pull up this bumbo cloth in here tonight. Pull up this Ross cloth, yeah, because I know what take Dominica. I don't know what take Barbados or where the fuck that come from, but tell them this. There is no competition when it comes to a Jamaica land we love. What we tell them say, we have the Bojo Bantan, Elephant Man, Beanie Man and the one Capleton. Jamaica land we love. You know we have the ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling, jerk chicken. Hey yo! Jamaica land. How would I feel like, man? There's no competing. Jamaica, we always winning. We no lose, they must be confused. They may that get bruised. Go to Jamaica and you have to take a cruise. Sit down on the ship and drink coconut. I'll take them loser, man. I'll put them feel like I come from the motherland. The motherland. For all Caribbean islands. I don't know, so I have to big up my cousin them, the maroon them. Big up the maroons. Cause they want to try and take away for your cartoon. Hold on there. We have to take it back, you know, way back in the 70s, you know. We have to go way back, right back in the 60s, you know. Way back, right back in the 60s. When they need highly skilled people. A Jamaica then send for Jamaica. Yeah. You know what I say? You may say, no? They never send for Eastern Europe, you know. Oh, they never send for Romania, you know. Oh, they never send for Dominica neither, you know. Oh, you know who them send for? They send for Jamaica. Jamaica they send for, yeah. Fuck. All the bumbucker them people here, man. You know what I say, no? We are a strong nation, you know, we are strong people, you know. You don't know, say, out of many one people is a Jamaican. You know, some have to big up Mr. Chin. Chinaman. You know, some have to big up my Indian cousin them. You know what? So we say, China bring the rice, India bring the spice. Voila, we sweet and nice. Jamaica, sweet and sour. Jamaica. Jamaica, some boy now shower, Jamaica. You have the ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling, jerk chicken, patty and ting. Jamaica land we love. What we say? Steamed fish, roast fish, parrot fish, every fish, crayfish. Yo! Oxtail, seafood. Hey, some gyal get rude in my room. I make them know say, yeah, spray on me perfume man. Paddy plane, them a drive me insane. Paddy plane, Jamaica. You know, see them people are trying to destroy my career. So me just jump on the plane and me run down back to Jamaica. Hey, Jamaica. Jamaica land. You think I'm gonna make them people destroy my career? You feel like I'm gonna make them people destroy my hospitality career? Eh? Me are nearly 50 to Bumbleclot and them Bumbleclot discriminators. These haters, envious Bumbleclot, jealous blood clot people them. Eh? Them want to ignore the fact say me highly skilled in this. I don't know why them a try to turn a blind eye to that. A Bumbleclot this man. And come bring in this young girl. Yo, DJ, me a talk right now, DJ. Me a talk about what go on. Pan the white man plantation. See? Eh? I must think say me a Nigerian. You wanna? They need to know say I am a Bumbleclot Jamaican. We don't take foolishness, you know. We don't take crap. See? And we certainly not smoke crack. So, therefore, I don't know what them people feel like, you know. But let me tell them this. I will fight for my rights. I will activate some activism up in this. See? And you must think, say, Bumbleclot people, you must feel like to me give up my place. When me live, to come down here for my career. For these people. Now give me the position what I deserve. And they want to give to some young girl was not even work in a hotel before. What the fuck is this? Yeah, me tell you something. You know, hey, yo DJ, me talk, man. Me talk. You know how long? Over 20 years. Hilton, Marriott, Hamyard, Chelmsford Hotel. You know how much hotel me work for? You know how much experience me have in that? Hey, yo, pull up this selector. I one hotel them ever working, you know, you can see, you know. Says one hotel these people ever working. Yeah. Me I come from 5-star. This is 4-star. 5-star. 5 blood clot star. And then people want to try go on like they want ignore. Say, hey yo. I'm batty old boy. I say all the manager there see me say good morning, you know. Say good morning to the man a smile. You know no manners. You know no blood clot manners and a bright no blood clot. That's why the plate them drop on him Ross out there in front of reception today. Bright no blood clot. Anytime a Jamaican say morning, man, you have to say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Bumbleclot this. Eh? They not no blood clot manners, man. You see? That's why I'm not even chat to the man, you know. Because I'm not even give an introduction when he come. Not even say, hey. You know, all them say them a professional. They ain't claim to them is a professional. Eh? But true me is a ghetto Jamaican. True me is a singer. True me is a rapper. They want to discriminate me. So they not go and discriminate me, man. They not go and watch what I come. Watch what I come, cause all hell I go come down in this window mirror here. And I can tell them this. You tell them this. You can't tell me nothing. Yo, DJ. Pull up! Cause right now my head hot. You know? As a matter of fact. You know? Come on, I know how them I put this young girl in my position. For supervise over how the hell she can't supervise me? And the Bumbleclot is them bright. I'm bright like. It's not even no shit. What the fuck is this? Hey yo, tell them something. They don't ramp with me, you get me? They might ramp with I. And they shall surely die. The fuck. And then I stay there, man. As calm as a bitch. Yeah. Put up on your hand if you are Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you know a Hey, jump around if you are Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you know a Jamaican. Hey, jump around. Me no want to see no Trinidadian, no want to see no Barbadian, no Bayesian, no Dominican, no Antiguan, no. What we say? Put up on your hand if you are a Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you are a Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you are a Jamaican. And we won the nation. We have Beanie Man, Elephant Man, Buju Bantan and the one Capleton. Jamaica land we love. Hey. We have the ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling, jerk chicken, patty and ting, Jamaica. Fuck off, man. Hey. I'll take them little parasite people, man. They too bad mind. They too bad mind. They not no spirits. They dead inside. Dead no blood clot. Hey. I said they dead inside. They chef them can't even cook. They try and make curry and the curry crook. To rascal. And the curry a crook. No imitation. One more cloth imitation. You pull up this business. I don't give a shit. Talk the truth. Talk the truth. Me say, why? Them claim say them a make curry and them can't even make curry like me. Eh? Me all have my chef's degree. But me there scrub toilets and I clean as a little room attendant when I am a chef de party to pussy clap. Jamaica. Eh? Big chef de party, you know, Jamaica. Me a chef before me even get the fucking certificate. Eh? Jamaica. Yo, pull up this year. Pull up this year. Eh? Eh? With them curry imitation. Can't even cook. Oh, blood, them can't even cook for themselves. Jamaica. Eh? They can't even cook for themselves, but them are cooking a 4-star hotel and they can't even make curry well. Oh, the blood clot this. Jamaica. Woo! 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 Them can't even feed the staff. Don't make me laugh. Every day a sandwich. Every day a sandwich. Every day a sandwich. And the sandwich are garbage. Nothing even a nice sandwich. Them can't even put 2-3 lettuce or some cucumber or some tomato or something like that blood clot. Some dead piece of bread. Dead piece of bread. Them want to get hard-working people, lazy blood clot chef we can't cook. Eh? Jamaica. And them have me, you know, and my skills is going to waste. My great skills is going to waste. Jamaica. You know, Jamaica. Bumbo clap bad mind people, man. They just don't want me to take over. Cause I will take over, you know, cause that is a Jamaican, you know, so we do. We take over. And we give the world a makeover. I saw Jamaica though, you know. Them know, man. You know, so them afraid of women. Them frightened like puss. To puss it. Jamaica. Are we wanting? Are we wanting? Jamaicans. Are we wanting? Are we wanting? Put up on your hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on your hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on your hand. Jamaica. Go on, man. I feel like bumbo clap pussy wallet. Pull up. In ya. Eh? Me say, so them bad mind me. Them don't want me in a high position. So they not go on, man. They just nobody follow my trend, you know. Nobody follow my trend. Them go back to how them was doing in the beginning. That's why they were failing. That's why they were failing. Fuck. I talk about, man. Come on, use bad girl strategy. Eh? And then when they want done, come tell me. Well, you can't tell me, say me a big blood clot head housekeeper. My past room attendant long time, many years ago. And a bumper clot, bright no blood clot out order. A bright. Fucking face the motherfucker them. Eh? Let me telling them keep that young girl out of my sight, you know. Keep that young girl out of my way. Cause she no more than me. She maybe have more body than me, but she no more than me. I mean, I don't know where she get that body there from. I don't know if it's BBL or what. But you wanna know? She no more than me. Hey. She not even bad like me. I want a bumper clot. She don't even have half the experience with me have. I'm joking. I'm fucking people. I mean, I don't know what them is smoking. See? That's some joke thing. Some big bumper clot joke thing. You can't have me work blood, sweat and tears for 2 motherfucking years. Eh? You know how much dedication and you know how much things me gain at that place there. And then want to give this girl my put. Hey, them bright no blood, you bright no blood. Hey, white man, my way I go on with you know. Fucking Satan carnation. See? Bright no blood clot. Hey yo, out order. Fuck them feel like.
Yo, Gucci.
Discrimination a go on. Discrimination a go on. Discrimination a go on. Put up on a know if it's Jamaican. Put up on a and if on a Jamaican. Put up on a and real Jamaican. Not Barbados. Not Trinidad. Not Antigua. Not Dominica. But suck on the mother. I don't feel like you can't. Hey yo, I don't like how them go on like them feel like them are somebody, you know. And them feel like, man, them more than me. Them no more than me, you know. Them don't even more than my body. Them no more sunshine, please. Shine down on me, cause right now, you know. Cause hungry, miserable. Them people ya move terrible. Terrible gotta move like a rebel. Terrible them a move like a rebel. Rebel. Oh, don't make me laugh. Fucking crosses them. We are the baby man, elephant man, Uju Bantan and the one Kilperton, Jamaica, land we love. Say we are the Aki and saltfish and fried dumpling. Aki and saltfish and fried dumpling. Aki and saltfish and fried dumpling. Jerk chicken, patty and ting, Jamaica. Put up on the hand if you know what Jamaican. Jamaica. Put up on the hand if you know what Jamaican. Jamaica. Put up on the hand if you love Jamaicans. Jamaica. Put up on the ayo. Yeah. I'm done talking now. Don't talk. See? All them want go on like they feel like they smart. All them want go on like they feel like they smart. Put up on the hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on the hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on the hand if you know a Jamaican. Put up on the hand, me baby. Put up on the hand if you know a Jamaican. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, land we love. Jamaica, Jamaica, land we love. Why? Now we have the ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling, jerk chicken, patty and ayo.
You'll have certain days that you're sitting in court.
Yeah, man, son of people. So you have to that's so good, you know. That's some deal with the wicked, them. Bumble club, bad mind. Some deal with the discriminators. The discriminators. You know. Discriminating criminals. And that me a talk about. Bumbleclaw. Jamaica. Fuck for no. Eh? Of course, my bad in everything me do. My bad in everything me do. I'm a bad girl. You hear that? That business what they want to say. Oh, fuck for no. Is it? Fuck for no, dog. Jamaica, that we love. Why can we have the ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling? Jerk chicken and thing, have the ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling. Jerk chicken, curry and thing, we have the ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling. Jerk chicken and the patty and thing, we say Jamaica, that we love. Sting representing Beanie Man, 1 Cape Town. Bujo Bantan Elephant Man. Bujo Bantan Elephant Man. Bujo Bantan Elephant Man. We have Vibes Cartel. You know as well. You say, what are they? How we run things? How we run things? You know what we run things? We run things, you know what we run things. Jamaica. Put up on the hand if you know what Jamaican. Put up on the hand if you know what Jamaican. Put up on the hand if you love Jamaicans. Love Jamaicans. Love Jamaicans. We're the best. Simply the best. Hey, better than all the rest. Hey, better than anyone. That's a Jamaican. Anyone you've ever met. We're stuck on your hearts, baby. Oh, you count on every word we say. Don't tear us apart. Hey, 'cause we would rather be dead. Jamaica's simply the best. Hey, we're better than all the rest. There's no contest. There's no contest. They need to take a rest. There's no contest. There's no competition in this. I don't know why they keep trying. I don't know why they keep trying. See? iPhone 17 Pro Max. Yo, selector. Pull up this.